Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Fampay and going straight to Keeper. Check your balance so you know how much to move. Once done, confirm your app is updated and your PIN or biometric unlock works to avoid interruptions. Next, tap Wallet, then Keeper, and view the available options. This first action establishes the source and destination. Make sure notifications are enabled so you see confirmations, and keep a small test amount ready in case you must verify the flow. Now you initiate the transfer. Choose Transfer or use Money inside Keeper and type the exact amount you want to move. Once entered, select whether you send to your Fampay card, another linked card, or a friend. This determines processing. After that, review fees and the transaction summary so there are no surprises. Then authorize with PIN or biometric. Wait for the on-screen confirmation. If there's a delay, check network and app status before retrying to avoid duplicate transfers. Finish by verifying the transaction receipt and confirming your Keeper balance updated as expected. Screenshots help record details. If the transfer failed or is pending too long, make sure your internet is stable, the app is the latest version, and push notifications or emails aren't blocked. If the problem persists, copy the transaction ID and contact Fampay support. Provide time, amount, and any error codes. One reliable troubleshooting tip: avoid retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.